This is the solution video for Unit 9 review problem number 8. All right, so I have the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the 2x minus e to the negative 2x minus 4x over x cubed. All right, so first step is to evaluate. So I have e to the 2 times 0 minus e to the negative 2 times 0 minus 4 times 0 over 0 cubed. All right, so e to the 2 times 0, e to the 0 is 1 minus e to the 0 1 minus 0 over 0. So, of course, this is 0 over 0, so L'Hopital's rule would apply. So, remember, we need to state that the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the 2x minus e to the negative 2x minus 4x equals 0. And the limit as x approaches 0 of x cubed is also 0. And e to the 2x minus e to the negative 2x minus 4x and x cubed are continuous and differentiable at x equals 0. So then L'Hopital's rule applies, right? So limit as x approaches 0 of derivative of e to the 2x, that would be e to the 2x times 2. So 2e to the 2x minus derivative of e to the negative 2x, which would be negative 2e to the negative 2x. And so that becomes plus 2e to the negative 2x minus 4, all divided by 3x squared, right? So now I would reevaluate 2 times e to the 0 plus 2 times e to the 0 minus 4 over 3 times 0 squared. So I end up with 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4 is 0 over 0. So of course, then we would need to restate this for these two functions. But then that would mean that L'Hopital's rule would apply again. So I have a limit as x approaches 0. All right, derivative of 2e to the 2x would be 4e to the 2x. And then I have plus 2e to the negative. So derivative of this is going to be negative 4e to the negative 2x. And then derivative of minus 4 is 0. So then I have over 6x. All right, so now reevaluate 4e to the 0. So 4e to the 0 minus 4e to the 0 over 6 times 0. So, of course, 0 over 0, right? So, once again, L'Hopital's rule. Limit as x approaches 0 of 4e to the 2x, that would be what? That would be 8e to the 2x minus, but then I have 4 times another negative 2, so that'd become plus 8e to the negative 2x, all divided by 6. And so when we evaluate again here, I get 8e to the 0 plus 8e to the 0 all over 6. So 8 plus 8, 16 over 6 gives me 8 thirds. And so 8 thirds is our answer for number 8.